So today, yet another hot Halloween across the valley. Thought we'd look back, I'll go back to 1990 and see. A lot of folks said, I can remember one Halloween when it was cool. The costume actually felt good. Well, how long ago was that? We've had 8 of the Halloweens since 1990 that were in the 90s. Today is among them. We hit 91 today. 15 times the high was in the 80s. That's kind of the normal. Normal high this time of year is 84, so that would be typical. Twice, highs were in the 70s in the last 27 years, and that includes 2002 and 2009. So it's been several years since we've done that. And twice in that period, high temperatures were only in the 60s, but that hasn't happened since the 90s. Look around the studio and our studio crew, none of them were born yet last time we had high in the 60s on Halloween. I was here, you guys were here, but it's been a while. Let's look at temperatures across the valley right now. These are the currents: 80 in McAllen, 75 Harlingen, the beach checks in at 81. Our low temperatures tonight, low 70s, that's about it. So we're not even talking lows in the 60s, let alone highs. And then tomorrow we're right back up where we were today, 90 plus across most of the valley. Warm, humid day, but spotty showers are possible tomorrow. Now let's look at the next 7 days. The normal is 84. By next Monday, maybe 85, but look at this. I mean, we're all up above the norm by quite a lot. A weak front late in the week will take temperatures down just a little bit, but still above average. By no means chilly. And your rain chances kind of peak on Thursday up at 50% and then go back down and kind of hang in the 20 to 30% range after that into early next week. So still warm, but at least a chance of showers each of the next few days. Here's what's going on. We're looking at the upper atmosphere now in the European model, and what you notice is spotty moisture right along the coast, enough to give us that isolated shower tomorrow. A little more moisture works its way in on Wednesday, so the chance of rain goes up just a little bit. Then on Thursday, a lot more moisture works in, and this disturbance is out here over the desert southwest. Upper level disturbance, when you get one of these out here, depends on how far south it digs, but out there, that tends to trigger rain out ahead of it. We may be one of the places that sees some rain on Thursday. A little bit lingers into Friday, but that front comes down. With that front, could trigger a couple more showers. It's not real strong, won't cool us off much, just a little bit. Feel a little difference in time for the weekend. And then next week, as we get into Sunday and Monday, another disturbance comes across, another upper level trough, and that helps to trigger showers again for early next week. So at least the potential is there over the next few days for a little bit of rain, but we do not see a big cool down anytime soon. So tonight, 71, some patchy fog much later. Then tomorrow back up to 91 with an isolated shower. Your chance of rain tomorrow in the 10 to 20% range. Goes up a little Wednesday. Thursday peaking at 50% and then comes back down after that. Weekend high temperatures in the mid-80s, lows in the 60s, and it is Saturday night, Sunday morning when you set your clock back 1 hour. That's your updated First Warn 5 4K.